Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a nice day. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to change font style in any Android phone. So for that, at first just go to your phone settings. Now you need to just go to your display, this option here. Now just scroll a bit and click on font. Now in the font option here, there are so many fonts here. You can just choose any of these, just like this one. Now here you can see a free option here, just click on it. Now just click on apply, and here you can see reboot option. Just clicking on reboot, your font will be applied. So guys, that's how you can change font style on any Android. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe Tech Team channel. Thank you very much for watching the video.